This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Kansas City, Missouri is going to get 30 centimeters of snow on Tuesday, February 26th, 2013. People in Kansas City, be prepared. Supposed to be a major snowstorm is going to hit Kansas City. And people in Kansas City, have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants ready. Because it's going to be very stormy conditions in Kansas City. Supposed to be a 30 centimeters of snow to hit Kansas City on Tuesday, February 26, 2013. Supposed to be a lot of snow and very strong winds in Kansas City. And blizzard-like conditions and whiteout conditions and blowing snow and all that stuff. Supposed to be a stormy conditions to hit Kansas City and all those places. It's going to be a snowstorm to hit Kansas City. And very strong winds and drifting and blowing snow. And people in Kansas City, be prepared. Have your shovels ready, have your snow plows ready, have your snow scoops ready. Have your everything ready. Because have your extra batteries ready, have your flashlights ready, have your candles ready. Just in case the power goes out. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your tablets charged. Because it's going to be very stormy conditions in Kansas City. People in Kansas City, be prepared. It's going to be very stormy conditions and a lot of snow will be falling from the sky and blowing snow and very cold temperatures because the big storm is heading towards Kansas City on Tuesday, February 26th, 2013. Supposed to be a lot of snow and strong winds, drifting and blowing snow. It's going all the way up to Chicago and the state of Kansas as well. It's going to be a very stormy conditions in the state of Kansas. Shovel your snow. Have your snow scoops ready, snow blowers ready. And do lots of shoveling because it's going to be a bad snowstorm in Kansas City. Very cold temperatures and all that stuff. Have your winter gear ready like ski pants, scarves, winter boots and winter jackets, hats and gloves and mittens. Because it's going to be very stormy conditions. Have your green tea ready to drink green tea to keep you warm. Because it's going to be very cold and stormy conditions in Kansas City. Best of luck to you, people in Kansas City. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Or buy cases of Pepsi before the snowstorm hit Kansas City. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Best of luck to you, people in Kansas City. Be prepared for a major snowstorm on Tuesday, February 26, 2013. Good luck and stay safe. And don't get caught in a snowstorm. Be very careful while driving a snowstorm. Take care.